free bird, wings open wide, sailing through the skies with the wind as my guide. I saw you in a cage, your beauty so rare, a caged bird with feathers that shimmer in the air. Oh, my love for you is true and wild, but society's chains you bind. You don't love me as you should, for the world around you, not for the love that's good. I sing my songs of freedom loud, hoping you'll hear, break through the crowd. But your heart is taught to fear the sky, to shun the freedom, to stay and comply. My love for you burns like the sun, but you're bound by the rules, by everyone. I'll wait for the day you spread your wings, to love me back, to join me in the winds. Maybe one day the cage will fall, and you'll see me, hear my call. Until then, my love, I'll fly, hoping one day you'll fly by my side. I am a free bird, loving you still, hoping one day you'll break free